Good morning, students. In last period, we had learned that what is meant by the transitive verbs, what is meant by the intransitive verbs. We also learned that what is meant by the direct object and what is meant by the indirect objects. We learned that what is meant by the transitive verbs. Transitive verbs means that a verb which comes with objects. Okay. And intransitive verbs means what? We learned that the intransitive verbs means a verb which comes without an objects. Without an objects. Okay. Today we are going to learn the remaining thing of that topics. Okay. Look here, dear students. Some verbs can be transitive or intransitive. Okay. Some verbs can be transitive or intransitive. We know that the transitive verbs have two types of objects like DO and IO. DO means what? DO means direct objects and IO means indirect objects. We can get objects when we ask a question to main verb with what or whom. Okay, look here. We want to solve or we want to see the same question. Look here. Some verbs can be transitive. Okay, can be transitive or intransitive. Intransitive, the same words. Okay. Transitive means sakarmak in Marathi and intransitive means akarmak. That means verbs with objects. Okay, verbs with object is called transitive verbs, and verbs without an objects. Without an object are called intransitive verbs. Okay, with objects, without an objects, like that. Oh, with an objects. Look here, the first sentence is here, dear students. Emma was reading an adventurous story. In this example, the main verb is reading. The main verb is reading. And when we ask a question to main verb with what, that time we get the direct answer or direct object, that is called DO, direct object. So that when we get a definite answer, when we ask a question with what to main verb, that is called transitive verbs. Okay, that means when we ask a question, suppose that we ask a question to that main verb, what? Okay, what was Emma reading? And question mark, that time we get a definite answer, and that is an adventurous story. So that an adventurous story is a object. Okay, are you getting my point? Okay, look here, that is object. When we get the definite answer, when we ask a question to main verb, and that is called objects. And when a verbs come with objects, a verbs comes with object, that is called transitive verbs. Okay, the same verb in another column. Look here, the another one is intransitive verbs. Intransitive verbs means without an object. Look here, Tom and Susan were reading. Look here, here also verbs reading, but in front of that verb there is nothing or none. That means lack of an object. Lack of an object. So that this verb reading is a intransitive verbs. Okay. Now the in second line, look here. My mother is painting the kitchen walls today. In this example, look here. Painting is a main verb, and in this example, look here. The kitchen walls is a object. Is an object. Okay, now in second sentence, Rita was painting. In this example, in front of that painting there is nothing. Okay, that means it lack of an object, so that this painting is related with intransitive verbs. Intransitive verbs means are those verbs which do not have or which does not have an object. So intransitive verbs are those that without an object. Okay, now the third line is here. I typed my essay, then sent it to my teacher. In this example, if you observe, okay, I typed my essay. Type is a main verb and my essay is an object. Okay, so that it is a transitive verbs, a verbs which have an object. Okay, we learned that the objects are two types. First one is direct object and second one is indirect objects. Okay, look here. It is a direct objects. I typed my essay, then sent it to my teacher. Okay, so that this type exam, this verb is counted as a transitive verb because it has an object. Okay, now the same verb is used here as a intransitive verb. Okay, my father was typing. My father was typing when the phone rang. In this example, there is nothing objects. There is lack of object and object, so that this typing verb used as a intransitive verbs. Okay, I think all things or all concepts are clear. The remaining part of these lessons we will see in next video.